Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this classic Christmas like holiday look. There's nothing I love more than a look like this. You can't go wrong with a wing liner and a bold red lip, especially a red lip. Like anything looks good with a red lip. And the bold lashes, like it's very glam yet very simple, and I like doing like simple looks as well as like more in-depth like crazy looks, because you know some people don't really feel like doing a bunch of eyeshadow. So if I wasn't feeling like doing a crazy eye look, this is the look I would go for. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and hit that bell button so you get notified every single time that I upload. And let's get right on into the video. Hello guys, so I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Smashbox Primerizer, and then we're going in with one of my favorite foundations, which is the NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation. So next for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the KKW Beauty Concealer in 7 and the Tarte Shape Tape in Light. I like the KKW Beauty to go first because it has more of a peachy tone to cancel out any of the dark circles. For setting powder, I'm going in with the Patrick Star and MAC Cosmetics setting powder and just set my under eyes and eyelid. Next, we're going to contour with the KKW Beauty Medium No. 2 Contour Stick. I really love these contour sticks. They're so creamy, and I would obviously expect nothing less from like the Queen of Contour herself. Setting my face with the Kat Von D Medium 52 setting powder. I really love this stuff. It just locks in your makeup. Time to get some bomb-ass brows. I'm going to be doing my brows off camera using the Desi and Benefit Bomb-Ass Brows Kit. This is life-changing. Next, going in with Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, and then my KKW Beauty Contour Kit in Medium. For blush, I'm going in with this Tarte blush in Genius. Then to highlight my face, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Resi highlight, which is gorgeous. For liner, I'm going in with this Kiss New York pen liner. I'm normally like not a fan of liners like this, but it's the only one I could find. Going in with my Benefit Bang Mascara and then Lily Lashes in Mykonos. Next, we're going to go in with Ruby Woo Lip Pencil by MAC and Uncensored Matte Lipstick by Fenty Beauty. And we are done. And this is the final result. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. We'll be back soon with some more crazy, glittery, super glam look for Christmas and New Year's. For all you glamazons out there, it's coming up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have the best night or day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.